Hi, I'm Pauline, a chemist here at Sawgrass, and in this video I'll show you what to look for in a heat press for VersiFlex success. We recommend a manual heat press. Both clamshell and swing-away presses work very well with VersiFlex. Here's why. Manual presses give the operator direct control over pressure settings, are less prone to the pad-related inconsistencies found in automatic presses, and deliver the medium even pressure VersiFlex requires. We do not recommend heat presses equipped with spring-loaded pressure systems or automatic presses for use with VersiFlex. For best VersiFlex results, use a manual heat press with the recommended time, temperature, and pressure in Sawgrass print utility. Visit care.sawgrassinc.com or our Sawgrass YouTube channel to learn more.